A very good morning to Madam Satushima. My name is Tanja Kumaran from DBT2B and my metric number is 23 DBT 20F1047 and my group members are Smita Govindarajan, Arashni Ganesan, Nura Ali Sophia Binti Rose, Nurul Kushilat Rosie Binti Fatima. Today we are going to present about medicines plus natural remedies. So let's have a look on what is meaning of medicines. Medicines is named as the science or practice of diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disease. In technical use, often taken to exclude surgeries. Medicine also can say a drug or other preparation of the treatment or prevention of diseases. Mostly, we use the medicines whenever we are sick, and also whenever we feel our health is not in good manner. And also, um, medicines and also called as the art, science, and practice of caring of a patient, managing the diagnosis, prognosis, prevention, treatment, or preventions of their injury or disease. Medicines encompasses a variety of healthcare practices involved to maintain and restore health by the prevention and treatment of illness. Complementary medicines applies bioscience, biomedical researches, genetic and medical technology to diagnose, treat, and prevent injury and diseases, typically through pharmaceutically or surgery, but also to therapies as deserved as psychotherapies. And then, medicine is also called as a field of health and healing. It includes nurses, doctors, and variety of various of specialists. It's cover diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disease, medical researches, and many other aspects of health. Medicines aim other aspect of health. Medicines also aim to promote and maintain health and well-being. Mostly, medicines are two types. One is about the field, and another one is the medicine we are taking. So mostly here I mean about the medicine we are taking while we are sick or while we are facing any injury to our body or part. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, madam and everyone. My name is Harshni Ganesan. My trick ID is 23DBT 20F and 44. I'm from class DBT2B. Now I would like to talk about advantages of medicine. The benefit of medicines are the helpful effect you get when you use them, such as lowering blood pressure, curing infection, or relieving pain. The risk of medicines are the chances that something unwanted or unexpected could happen to you when you use them. Medicine can prevent incurable disease. If doctors find a sickness very early, they can suspect a spread of illness. Then doctors give suitable medicine to patients which help to recover from a disease. In the world, there are a great amount of ready which is given to treat for a specific sickness. For example, a person fell ill with influenza, he must take an aspirin, then a patient will get over. The second advantage is that new modern equipment relieve doctors' job. The machines help doctors is going to correct way. For instance, a patient come down with an illness and doctor cannot identify a disease. At that point, they do variety of examinations such as X-ray or blood tests. Picking up a human body, doctors know what the treatment to apply. In conclusion, the modern medicine is important for living because available medicine quicken a cure of sickness and a modern technology help to find a disease faster. And that's all from me.
Hi everyone, first let me introduce myself. My name is Smita Govindarajan. By the way, my main point is disadvantages of medicine. By the which is drug companies found the education of medical professional in order to promote products sales instead of the help improve public health. There has hundreds of the drugs and medication that were taken off the market due to the high risk to patients. It is unethical that toxic medicines are prescribed to patients before enough evidence that collected to ensure the medicine is safe. Drug companies found the drug testing and show the result in favor of the drug in order to make profit. For example, Voix was one of the most commonly used anti-inflammatory pain relief medicine used from 1999 to 2004 in the US. It was later discovered that manufacturer failed in disclose the clinical trial data and trained the sales representative to avoid discussing the medicine's cardiac risk. The medicine result in many heart attack, stroke, and death as a result. This scandal makes you wonder how many other medicine companies are also suppressing information about the dangerous side effects. Well, that's from me. Thank you.
Next is natural remedies. Natural remedies is more mean by as herbal medicines, also herbalisms, is the study of pharmacogenesis and the use of medical plants, which are the basis of traditional medicines. There is the limited scientific evidence for the safety and efficacy of the plants used in 21st century herbalisms, which generally does not provide standards for purity or dosage. The study of or practice of the medical and therapeutic use of the plants herbalisms. Mostly Redimes and medicines are made from the plants. Nature Redimes' main source are the plants. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. My name is Nur Kusiraturasi binti Nur Hadi. My matrix number is 23 DBT 20F1051. Today I want to present about the advantage of natural remedies. The first is a chance. It can give a chance to solve your health issues naturally. Why it can solve your health issue naturally? Because it's able to support your body's ability to heal by itself. Okay. Next, the ingredients used for hundreds of years. It means finding and using these ingredients is simple, inexpensive, and they can help with wide range of illness. And third, it support a healthy lifestyle. In conditions implementing more elements of healthy living, you will definitely accelerate this process. Natural remedies and folk medicine. natural remedies to treat a myriad of illness for centuries until now. And also it is inexpensive. But there is also disadvantages of natural remedies. First, it might inappropriate for many conditions because it will not be able to treat serious trauma such as broken leg, or nor will he be able to heal an appendicitis or a heart attack as effectively as a conventional doctor using modern diagnostic tests, surgery, and drugs. Okay, next is also it lack of dosage instruction. Doing your dosing with herbs, while you can argue that the same thing can happen with medication, such as accidentally overdosing on cold remedies, many herbs do not come with instruction or package insert. Okay, the third point of disadvantages of natural remedies is poison risk associated with wild herbs. It is due to it don't correctly identify the herbs, or if they use the wrong part of the plant, and so on. Also, the medication interaction, it will give us dangerous interaction if we interact with the medication together combined with the herbs. It can give dangerous impact to our health. Next, lack of regulation. Yeah, as we know that consumers who run the risk of buying inferior quality herbs, they cannot make sure the quality of the herbs keep the same and consistent in each of their product, right? So yeah, the quantity and amount of the bahan, the chemical, the compound that the main compound that the main use to treat the specific.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Adilin Sofia binti Rosli dari from class DBT.B. I will be present about difference between medicine and natural remedies. Okay, different in terms of knowledge protection. Medicine close patent protection, natural remedies open access. Okay. Formulation, medicines predetermined and once tested in clinical trials cannot be changed unless stated. Okay. Natural remedies at hold during consultation with the patent. Okay. Regulation, medicine is extremely charged to the point that bringing drugs to market now cost billions of dollars. Natural Redimes, which really known through some countries are trying to introduce rules and standardization. Testing, medicine, rigorous trials that happen in different paths. First testing for safety, then efficacy. Natural Redimes, no formal testing, as knowledge of the effectiveness is handed down through generation. Dosages, medicinal feed dose and feed dose that tend to vary only slightly with a gauge of weight or decided severity. Natural Redimes, the amount of medic given me might be similar, but the activity ingredient, which is what dose really, it can vary hardly. Okay, conclusion. Remedies. Consultation involve primary and secondary care tend to be brief and focused, especially as national healthy system can understand. Okay. Natural Redimes, less independence is asked about wider ranges of questions that just their system. Okay. Last training. Medicines often vocational healthy professionals go through formal training in school and university. Natural birth system of medic require lengthy training over many years, but with natural Redimes, knowledge is often passed one-to-one across families, and practitioners are often boom into a family of healers. Okay, thank you.